Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to backup or restore contacts on Samsung Galaxy all smartphones. To prevent losing contacts stored in your Samsung Galaxy, you can create a backup. Let's get started. To begin, open your Contacts app. Then tap the three lines in the top left. From the resulting menu, select Manage Contacts. This page go to Import or Export Contacts. Then tap on the button Export. Select where to export your contacts. You can select internal storage, or you can choose some card. Then tap on Export from the bottom. Tap on Allow to access your device. That's it, the contacts has been exported to your internal storage. Now tap on OK from the bottom. This is the exported contacts. To import contacts, again go to the Contacts app. Then tap the three lines in the top left. From the resulting menu, select Manage Contacts. Then go to Import or Export Contacts. Then tap on the button Import. Select from where to import your contacts. You may have multiple options to select from. Now select where to save this contacts. You can select phone storage or you can choose Google account. Then tap on Import from the bottom. And the contacts has been added to your phone. So in this way you can back up or restore contacts on Samsung Galaxy all smartphones. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.